notch seam to notch in front. Stitch again at 4/8 away from seam allowance between a long curve as shown, trim close to second stitching.
Let me see if they have it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're pretending like we kept sewing the leg. We're dropping down to the zipper. Where is the zipper? Let me just show you. I put the zipper in. Yeah. Okay, so first thing I need to do is finish all these seams because the problem is it's difficult to put a zipper, to put finishing in if the seams have zippers and stuff and are all closed up, okay? So I'm going to serge these two seams. Now, you don't want to do these, you think, why didn't you just do them when it was flat? You don't want to do that. Because I needed that notch. Okay, see, I've used the notch now, so I don't need it anymore. So now I've got this. Okay, so this one, the one that's got like a tab, like a, you know, like it's a 5/8 inch sticking out piece, this one's going to go up against the zipper. Okay, so I'm going to just lay it there. Get the needle as far to the right as I can, and I'm going to sew it as close as I can. Now this foot, make sure that it doesn't sew the zipper. That's its job. Okay, see how that looks? Still got a bunch of zipper here and got a bunch of zipper there. All right, so the next thing I have to do is fold this over it. Remember this in lap zipper, kind of, sort of? Fold that over it. Let's switch sides on this. And just knowing, it's like sewing in Braille. I'm going to move that over to the left. And I'm just keeping it all flat. The zipper foot presses up against the zipper on its own. Okay? You're like, okay, how are we going to do the zipper? It's in there. Now we're going to fold this like this. And we're going to sew the decorative stitching. So what I need to know is where does it stop down here? About here. I need to put a mark so I know where to stop and curve. Okay, so now I have to be really careful now. Now see, remember this tick mark? What was that for?
The stitching?
Yeah, the stitch line, the decorative stitch line. Here you go, Samantha. All right, so now I'm going to try to sew on it. So I'm looking at it. Now it needs to be pretty and it needs to be even. All right, so now between here and here, I have to curve. I went right through the zipper. Okay, can you see the fly I just made? That is the hardest part of the pants, right there. That's it. So now I cut this open. Just cutting the stitching. See? Open it up. Now see how that stitching got it close to the zipper. I don't have it flapping way back from the zipper. Because if I had just used the decorative stitch line, it would have been way on the edge. And you see there's places where I almost wasn't even on the zipper. That's why I did that first row, okay? And now we can unzip it. Now, if you all are scaredy cats, you can turn this to 0, turn this to the widest stitch length, stitch width, and we'll put a bar tack on the zipper, because this is a zipper that gets yanked on. And that prevents the zipper from ever, that's a new stop. I can cut the zipper off. Don't ever cut them shorter than that. A couple of you did that in fundamentals. Don't ever cut them shorter than that. Okay, zipper's done. Thank you.